Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin D2 Bravo Titanium and I'm gonna show you how to set the alarm clock on this watch. First we need to press and hold the up button to open the menu on our watch. Once the menu opens, use the up and down buttons to scroll through it. Select the clock option and once you select it, press the start button to enter. And here you should see the alarm clock option. Select it and press start button. Now select add alarm and press start, of course, and now we can customize our alarm clock. We have options like status and we can switch it from on to off. Basically you can turn it on or turn it off. Time option allows us to set the time on which the alarm should go off. So if you select time and press start, you can change the hour, then minutes, then AM or PM, and then you can press start to confirm. And now my alarm should go off at 11:50 basically. Next we have frequency. If you select this option and press start, you can select how often the alarm should repeat. Once means basically that the alarm will go off once and it won't repeat. Daily, it means it will repeat daily. Weekdays, it will repeat on weekdays. Weekends, it will repeat on weekends. And custom allows you to select specific days. Basically, you can select the day, turn it on, for example, Monday and Wednesday. And then once you're done, you basically will see that the alarm will go off on those specific days. Next, we have the notification, and you can select tone and vibe, vibration and tone. So basically sound and vibration, vibration or sound only. And then we have backlight and you can turn it on or off when the alarm starts going off. And at the bottom we have the delete option, but basically allows you remove the alarm. Okay, and once you're done you can press the back button and here we have our alarm. You can also have multiple alarms if you like to, like this. And like I mentioned before, you can also remove the alarms by selecting one, pressing start, selecting delete, and it will disappear. And once you're done setting up your alarms, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you set the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.